So since we already done our discussion, let's have a activity, which is the Don't Touch the Color Challenge. So, if kinsa ang loss sa kanang game, then she will going or he will going to answer sa kaning question nga na diri bunot-bunot. So, 3 question ha, if kumpilde. Okay? Okay. Start? Ready na? Okay. Tristan and Ralph, ready na? Okay. Black, red, white, pink, red, black, white. Oh! Tristan, nalos. Okay, 3 question. Bona 3 question. 1, 2, 3. Okay, first question.
Who was the fourth president in the Philippines?
Who was the 4th president in the Philippines?
64.
6 na 6.
Si Elpidio Quirino.
Yes, Pedro Quirino. Good. Next.
How many years the president served in the Philippines?
How many years? Pila ka years mo serve ang president sa Philippines?
6.
Ha?
6.
6. Okay, good. Next.
Who was the first president in the Philippines?
Who was the first Philippines in the president in the Philippines?
Emilio Aguinaldo.
Emilio Aguinaldo. Check. Next. Versus Tristan and Angeli. Okay, don't touch the color challenge. White, red, black, white, black, red, white, black, red, white, white, red. Oh! Angeli! Okay, 3 question. 1, 2, 3. First question. Who was
sixth president in the Philippines?
Who was the 6th president?
16.
16.
16.
16th president in the Philippines. Who was the 16th president? Okay, very good.
7 times 4. 28. 28 divided by 2.
14.
9 plus 5.
14.
Minus 2.
13.
Minus 2. 14.
12.
12 times 3.
26. 36. 26.
Divided by 3.
12.
15 plus 15.
30.
Minus 15.
50.
Times 2. 15 times 2. 15 times 2. 15 times 30. 30 divided by 5. 2 minus 1. 8 minus 1. 7 minus 4. Four minus 2. 6 minus.
So today we have our topic about time conversion. So they will have an exam or quiz about time conversion. So this is our topic about time conversion. Okay, so we'll start with months to days, months to weeks, and years to months. So we have 10 questions to our quiz. So we already have also an example here, the whiteboard. So now they are answering the quiz.
So, good evening, students.
Good evening, Teacher May.
So, today I'm going to discuss the modals. What is modals?
Modals are used before verbs to express permission, passivity, certainty, and necessity.
So, ang modals to know are used before verb to express na ay permission, na ay possibility, certainty, and necessity. So, na ay upat. So, ang first kay permission.
Can, could, and may are modals used to ask permission.
So, ang permission to know kay na ay can, could, and may. Mo ni ang mga modals used to ask permission. Example,
Can I borrow a pencil?
ngano na permission siya kay na ay
Can. May I ask permission to leave?
ngano na permission kay na ay
May.
may. Unya na nga po siya og permission no. Ability.
Ability, can, and could are modals used to talk about a skill or ability.
So ang ability ko no kay na can and could are modals mo ni ang can and could mo ni ang modals niya can and could. Og nag-talk si about the skills and ability. Example,
Genevieve can dance well.
anong na ability man? Kay na ay
Can.
unya yung skills na si skills na
Dance.
sayaw, dance.